I really didn't miss sitting down here. So correct gear ratio, 355. So this is a limited slip. It is torqued. I think they're 60. I think they were foot-pounds. I put it back in the same orientation I took them off in, so you know, could be right, could be wrong. Clean some of this shit up. Finished doing some cleaning. I totally forgot paint. Fucking right on. Okay, well, I do have my finest of crack razors. So, scrape that down a bit. Paint, I guess. Yeah, we'll give it a good crack razor and then I guess we'll throw some paint at it. Go from there. I don't know, man. We're kind of falling apart at this point. Got a couple hours before she needs to be perfect, so we're fucked. I am getting equally high and cold being out here. So, lowered our standards again. Rocker guard. Not ideal. Cleaned her up and guess we're ready to slam in this cover. Yeah. Alright, fun times. Moment of truth. The chances of those wheels both spinning, with my luck, pretty slim. Let's see how this diff's doing. Good news. Better news. Whoa. Oh, this doesn't mean anything. We're not even, no weight on it, but that's, wow. Alright. I'll take that. So I'd say she's earned a drink. Good and bad news. Good. Well, first off, that's enormous. Woo! Good news. Everything went together and the wheels turned. The bad news, however, is because this is now a limited slip, I need a friction modifier. Good times. Don't have that. Right on. I'm cold. I'm not having fun. I want this to be done. And good right there, beauty. Awesome. So that's how you take out a diff, put it in, and not do the mini spoolie that you bought for it. Yeah, didn't film any of the backlash adjustments or checking the pattern because eventually this is getting a re-gear and I still have to build the front diff. So today, like I said, going out of town, need to get it done. Got the wheels back on, everything tightened up, topped up with fluid. Gotta go get some friction modifier and hopefully don't howl. They fucking better not howl. Take her for a test drive and this should be the end of the video unless other shit goes wrong, and then I'll see you guys in 5 minutes. So yeah. Well, good news. It's kind of a limited slip. So, no howling. Good things there. Quick and dirty today. I eventually will make a better video probably, but you know, basically kick her out now and start ordering more parts for more things. So you know, if you have any questions, ask. Setting up diffs are actually pretty easy, so don't be scared. I would recommend a dial indicator. No, you need a dial indicator to do it. It's the only specialty tool. So good to go. That's done today. Wheels are torqued. Make sure you torque your wheels. I've been seeing like 6 cars with their 6 Jeeps and Toyotas with their wheels rolling past them, so it's pretty fucking funny, but it's not funny. So just torque your wheels. That's it for today. I get, oh, you know what, I'm in reverse still. And a boy rain. So it's super fucking windy, but there we go. That's the diff now. It's looking pretty alright, so she's coming together, I'd say. Yeah, she's coming together pretty good. So I am off to take pictures of this and then I am out of town. So thanks, fellas.